Hello and welcome back to your favorite lifestyle channel. My name is Francis, and for tonight's video, we'll go ahead and do another layering combination video. Okay. Ang gagawin natin layering combination ngayon is quite unusual for me. Okay, kasi I wouldn't think na pwede ang pambabaeng perfume na ihalo mo sa men's perfume and you will have such a good scent na lalabas dun sa combination na yan. So, ano nga ba itong dalawang perfumes na pinag-usapan natin? We have here cherry scent from Tom Ford, Lost Cherry. I don't think this is an original perfume though, kasi nga doesn't look like it's original. So, nabili ito ng wife ko probably 5 or so many years ago, and itong ating favorite na isa sa mga favorite nating pabango na Lattafa Camera. Okay, so yun na nga, sinabi ko sa inyo, I wouldn't think na magandang combination pala yung cherry and yung pagka-boozy nitong Lattafa Camera. So let's go ahead and do the testing right now. Okay, and before actually we do the testing of this combination, I'd like to just share with you paano ko nakuha tong idea to. Okay, so I just went through to Google and ask Google kung ano yung magandang layering combination nitong Lattafa Camera, and suggested nga na you combine it with something that smells like cherry. Okay, so unahin natin itong Lattafa Camera kasi usually this one is the heavier scent. Okay, so let's spray 2 Lattafa Cameras right there on my left wrist, and itong ating cherry scent na perfume. Okay, ayun, ganda na sprayer pala na ito. I did not realize. Okay, so ano nga ba inaamoy natin? Wow, inaamoy natin dito sa dalawang pabongong ito. If you can just imagine isang cherry na pie. Okay, ganon. It's not the actors, of course, but yung combination na to, yung para kang imagine mo yung kakain ka ng pie na very warm na cherry, tapos meron siyang parang pagka-boozy na vanilla scent all together. Okay, so ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang combination. For me, it's more of scent na unique, very unique, and very warm. Okay, so this scent profile, I think babagay ito sa mga date nights, saka kung lalabas ka for dinner with your significant other. So ito yung magandang scent na isusuot mo. It might be kind of heavy for some people, but if you're used to perfumes naman, siguro magiging okay rin for you. Okay, so in terms of performance, I think since in Lattafa Camera is beast mode in terms of projection and as well as longevity, magiging maganda pa rin itong performance na ito. I did try this in the office actually. I brought the 2 perfumes and I asked my teammates to try it, and they said that yes, they really like the scent of those 2 perfumes. Sobrang nagustuhan nila. And the other feedback is pag-uwi ka nila, naamoy pa rin nila. And that was several hours after our work hours. So, ang galing pa rin. Ang ganda pa rin ng kanyang performance. So, yun lang. I think that covers everything for this video. If you have any questions about layering or anything about perfume, just leave them down below. If you have suggestions as well, kung ano yung mga magandang combinations na try nyo before, please let me know para masubukan din natin. Alright, so thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you again soon. Thank you so much and bye!